Hello guys, so I have on a review today 2-pack solar panels. Just like so. I already got one off. Looks like this. Have a remote, solar panels on top. So what do we have here? This is the bracket. This is how solar panel comes. In a plastic bag. Here's some hardware. So basically 2 brackets for your solar panel. Just like this or like this. Comes with a manual, a remote control, just like this. Here's the cover. And at least this one comes with 2 batteries. Okay, let's hook it up. Just like this. Just like this. So it's on, off, timer, auto, and brightness. Here we go. You can do on, off, let's do on. Or we can do the auto. Or we can press the on off here. So on, off. Solar panel. And seller claiming it's supposed to be last for oh, I just put it inside the car and it felt that inside is kind of dark. So when outside is bright, it's off. Inside it's pretty nice automatically. So it's 50,000 lights, so IP66 waterproof. I was looking, it's supposed to be like 8 hours of light if it's like fully charged. So I'm on a camping outside, kind of overcast, so you don't get like so much of it. So, or auto. Okay, let's go ahead and install it outside, somewhere there. Okay, so we got the hardware, 2 long ones, 2 short ones. So let's get the short ones. Okay. So short ones goes to Of course, it's nice if you have power tools. And one more. Okay. And let's mount this one to the 2x4. Go ahead and follow me. So here's my idea.
Mom!
Записувати?
Mom, when was screws made up? Like 1960? The 80s? Which one? And what is the address? Mama, what'd you say? What did he say?
Okay, here we go. Here is the light. Okay, so pointing is gonna be somewhere here. Let's test it. Yeah. Exactly. It's gonna be nice and bright. Okay, so let's go ahead and install it right there. Okay, this is how the final product looks like. And I have one more light right there. You can see it's kind of dark. Let's turn it on. It's really bright. Let's shut it down. Do it off. Oops, it's kind of far. Oops. Okay. What do we have the options here? So we can do it brighter.